Alright, so we're going to check out this Harbor Freight Pneumatic Brake Fluid Bleeder. It's 92924 is the number on it, the item number. But I'm going to do my motorcycle first before I do my truck. But I got the cap off. As you can see how dirty that is. The previous owner told me he had just had this shit clean. That's my brake fluid right here. Look at it. That's nasty shit. Fucking guy didn't do anything. But anyway, I got that off. I got my compressor hooked up. You gotta buy a quick connect. It doesn't come with it to connect it to your compressor. But I'm gonna take it and suck this dirty fluid out. And then I'm gonna pour new in, and we're gonna go down here and hook up the vacuum to it and bleed the line out. So, see if I can get you set up on that. Alright, I took the tip off. I just got this, and I'm going to suck the old fluid out of here with it. There's no point running that through. I'll go put new fluid in and get to it. That'll work pretty good. Fill it up with the new fluid and take you down to the valve. This is .4 for a motorcycle. Most of them probably are. Go ahead and fill that up. Alright, now we're going to go down to the valve. Alright, I got my 10mm wrench on my on the valve here. Put that over it, and then I'm gonna. This is the tip that comes on the other end that I pulled off, and this just should squeeze over that. You're gonna squeeze it over that, hopefully. Now I'm gonna create a vacuum before I loosen that nut. You know, and you'll see it'll start pulling it through. I don't have enough turn on there. I gotta redo use the open end of the wrench. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Okay, see the old fluid coming? Old brown fluid coming up into my keep the vacuum on, then I'm going to tighten it back up and check my reservoir up top. There, it's tight, then I can let go. It sucked it through the line. You can see it in the line. We're getting to the clear fluid. It took about half of it. Put some more in here. Working good. Very impressed with it. That's working great. So I'm going to do the vacuum again and then loosen it. Okay, yeah, it's going. You can't tell, but I can see it. Probably good. That's it on that side. That should be pretty good. Put the little cap back on there. Now we'll go do the other side. Alright, we're on the other side. And do the same thing again. There goes the fluid, see it? If you run out, you're gonna have to do them both again, so you don't want to run out in the reservoir. I had some bubbles there, but I think I was just leaking in from here, from this side, so it's okay. Alright, I got the cap back on. Ready to go. Now I'm going to do the clutch over here next. But anyway, worked great. Just wanted to give that thing a review. Only seen one on YouTube. It comes in this bottle. This is what you put on your car, and it'll sit there and it'll refeed the your bigger master cylinder, so you can be, go do all four wheels and not worry about running out. So I'll see how that goes. I'm gonna do my truck too after this. But hey, for 20, it was 29 bucks. Had it with 20% off, it was like 26 bucks. I'd recommend it for doing it by yourself. It'll be good for the car and truck. All right, later. Now I'm gonna do the rear brakes. Same thing. As you can see, it's nice and brown. So we're going to go ahead and change it out. I took the end off of that again. Alright, well, I took a paper towel in there. There was some nasty residue going on in there. So I took a paper towel and got in there and kind of scrubbed it out. So I'm going to fill it up with the new. I might have to get more. I knew it. And then these are easier to get to. They're on top. Right here, two of them. So don't know if I have to do them both or not, but we'll find out. Alright, same thing as before. Put this on, and I'm going to loosen the nut after I get some air going, get a vacuum going. Alright, let's do the other one. I put a little more fluid in there. I didn't waste as much this time. Just get used to it. That should be it, no bubbles. Suck the rest out of the hose. Should be it. There, top this off. That should be pretty good. Probably saved, I don't know what they charge, but I gotta think it's gotta be $100 or something to do that if you take it to the bike shop. I don't know. I'm not gonna find out. I might have a little too much in there. But anyway, that's it. Test them out. My pedal should be good. Actually feels better. My clutch up here, my brake control feels like it's much better. That's it. So yeah, I got the dirty oil here, dirty fluid, clean fluid here. Took me what, about 10 minutes. Worth the money, guys. If you're semi-mechanically inclined, I'm pretty good with stuff, but that didn't take much to do that. That's really good. No pump in the pedal and all that bullshit. That's where you screw up and get air bubbles in there. When you got to hold down the pedal and tighten it. This saves you from doing all that. Get you one. Check it out. They don't make all their tools. Are they're cheap. They're good for some things though. Cheap,